Hi, it's Lynette here, and I thought I would come and film my latest in beauty, show you what I got. Ordered this a wee while ago and I completely forgot what I've ordered and what the Hall of Fame item was. So if you're new to latest in beauty, you can only order 6 items now as a new customer. It used to be you could order 3, 6 and 9. However, they let existing customers stay on the 3, 6 or 9 that they were on. Unless you cancel, then you go on to 6. So I'm on 9 items for £18. So just because I'm a pre-existing customer. I must admit some months I do struggle, other months it's a wee bit easier. I think this month might have been a wee struggle month. I'm not sure if I can recall, but I think it might have been. Anyway, I'm going to talk you through what I got and I'll show you. Just put them out one by one. I don't know why my voice went so high. Anyway, I picked up Botanical Lab. It's Indian Clay Salicylic Acid Anti-Blemish Non-Foaming Cleanser. So salicylic acid is really good if you have spots and breakouts and things like that. So I thought that would be quite good to use for kind of when you start getting a little bit spotty. I've had a couple kind of pop up here that I've now gone, but it's that temptation to kind of pop them that I've got to try and resist, because that just marks your skin up, doesn't it? The Cutex always comes in handy and saves me kind of going to the shops and buy it. You know, it's only a couple of pound, but if I can get it delivered and it saves me going out for it, suits me. Sukin Hydrating Elixir. So this is an Australian natural skincare brand. They sell it in places like Holland and Barrett. And they do a lot of this in the Holland and Barrett advent calendar. It's brilliant. So, I would say I would use this. So massage 2 to 3 drops on clean skin, morning and evening. So I would probably use that after I've done my toner. I'd pop this on and use it as a serum. Kids are outside playing. So it kind of feels popped a little bit on my hand. It's got a lovely smell. It kind of feels like a really light oil, so it absorbs really quickly into the skin and it hasn't made it feel greasy at all. Some oils I'm not keen on if they're too strong, but that one's lovely. I probably stick to using it at night though, just in case it does leave me oily. And my skin looks really shiny just now. I've been running around with the Hoover and tidying up. And I'm shattered. It doesn't take much, especially after a long day at work. This is one of my favourite serums. It's a limited edition Bright Me Up serum from London Botanical Laboratories, however you say it. Whenever I see this, I do pick it up. It is one of my favourite all-time serums. I picked up one of these Faith in Nature shampoo bars because I can't use the Faith in Nature shampoo because it makes my head itchy, but I can use the shampoo bars, so if they're there and I'm struggling, I'll always pick one of these up. I picked up this sleep mask, satin sleep mask from a company called Smug. It says good things come to those who sleep. So I picked this up. It's gentle on skin and hair, lightweight and super soft. I picked this up to put it in my suitcase. I'm going to open it up and show you, because when I go through to Glasgow, I sometimes pop over and stay with Brandon and sleep on his sofa bed, which is at the front of the house, and front of his house is on a main road where there's really bright lights and what have you. So initially you think, oh, I'll be alright, but then you really realise you do need one. And I managed to persuade Brandon to let me borrow his because he's really funny with things like that. But I thought, I've already got a couple of sleep masks, but I thought I'll have one, just pop in my suitcase. And it's got the cherry blossoms, which is my favourite. So yeah, picked up one of those. I'm just trying to put the tag in the bin with my feet. So yeah, was pleased to see that in there. They have a couple of different ones. Nip and Fab, I love this brand. So it's Glycolic Fix Scrub. So it's an exfoliant glycolic fix, triple action face polish. Now I know I said that I read the Caroline Hayden's book and she says a liquid exfoliator, but sometimes you do like a wee face polish. So I will use that once a week or so. I also picked up the Sukin Radiance Gel Cleanser. I got that last month as well. And I think I must have ordered this by accident because I don't self-tan. It's Rose and Caramel Purity XL 60-second self-tan remover. So I'll probably give this to Antonia because she likes a wee self-tan. And it's really good for, you know, when you get it on your hands and things. Oh, it's got a lovely smell. It looks kind of gritty. It's not though. So I'll pop that in my bag to take to Antonia, so that's what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's got a slight gritty texture. So I'd probably give you that. That should be really good just for putting on to exfoliate your skin and getting rid of the remnants of your self-tan. I don't actually know if it's going to work or if it's just a bit of an exfoliator. So yeah, I'll ask Antonia to let me know how she gets on with that. So that was my 9 items this month. Nothing too exciting, to be honest with you, but I was happy with what I've got. The salicylic cleanser, I was pleased with that. The little sleep mask, that was an accident. The Sukin gel cleanser, the Nip and Fab scrub, the Faith in Nature, I was delighted with this, the Sukin serum, and the nail polish remover. So if you get Latest in Beauty, let me know how you got on this month and if you picked any of these items, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.